So that's an E63. Ooh.
Louder than the girls.
This is C400. Yeah, guys, I just got here. I took a little detour and it took away my time. I enjoyed where I was. It's an RSQ8. I don't know what's been done to it, but it sounds very lovely. I heard it when he was going down here. As I said, it's a C400. What do you do? This car is lovely with the paintwork. Lovely with the paintwork. I think the E63 has come. Charlie, tia suma me. Can you hear that? That's mad. Drove this in one of my videos. I'll put it up here. And I think you just got a tune. Ah, yeah? Did it just shoot flames?
It shoots, yeah, it shoots flames. Hey, I mean, I'll wait to
Who shouted? Was it Tim? Yeah. Charlie, what the fuck? Imagine he's driving that fast and he shouts, hey, yo.
Let's go!
It sounds like some bad bitch.
Oh my god.
It's not the time to go crazy, bro. Charlie, one has had a lunch. Sports car.
So I'm the passenger, so enjoy a drive from a boost.
Go straight.
You can't.
You won't go straight. More go straight there.
Because if you launch, you go before the bus.
No, don't launch.
No.
Over here, launch up there because over here, if car they come, you know we see.
Yeah. But relax, make this guy go.
Like the guy behind you literally honk at you.
Watch.
And they feel the left and right.
Yeah.
You go Mahama. Oh no. No.
They go 10 for the roundabout. So we'll go straight, then we'll 10 on the roundabout.
Okay.
Go in the right lane,
I mean, you can just join here when it's green. You just go. Because
I mean, it's not like he's any faster. Where the MD, mano?
It's there. Let me show you. There should be a button with gears. It should have like no. What is it?
yeah, this one.
I'm not getting MG for house, but still.
There's still you know inside.
I mean, I don't come out from mano actually.
Are you want
You know lunch.
I see the throw in.
Even the brake service not. It's not small.
So if you want the pops, like just further
Yes,
than
yes,
this
yes.
thing.
Tap that ass and then you hear that shit.
Guys, if you want to know who is behind the tap that ass and see that shit, pay me.
It's flawless. Auto.
And you mow the road, oh.
Gas.
Charlie, try to for the yeah.
You know we see
The brake.
Like to do it.
See idea. See the bed.
Hey!
Last one. Oh, let's go around the gate.
So this is loud AF.
Charlie, here the lunch. Bring and go, then you lunch.
You know we see.
Yo, that shit was loud.
Yeah. That's a good. Oh. He said make I go again. Yeah.
Yeah, the guy excited.
Charlie, you know they do the option better, bro.
I will shift myself. It's automatic.
It's automatic.
Left, right. Right. Oh my God.
You guys are so fucking cool.
Hey, look at this guy. He's a Toyo. He's a Toyo.
Yeah, Toyo. Tires. And what? Yas.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, man.
Why you live here? Hey, Charlie, I feel. What's me for out then the drive shaft come on? How do I explain
Hey,
what
my shit, the pops are loud. Oh. So it's flaming.
Left.
Go. Good boy.
That's what she said.
Left.
Left. The child.
Aish. Robert.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I don't want to be addicted to this shit.
Are you leaving BMW now?
Fucking BMW.
Hey. Oh, man.
Try give the guy space, bro. He should fuck.
Yeah, then Charlie. Oh, he's the other. No passing.
Ooh. The exhaust has gotten even hotter.
Try like me, I'll go the roundabout.
He said this is storm. This is a storm. This is not supposed to bang. Fam, it sounds too good.
If you be kind of away, you guys. If you be kind of away, you guys. There's just go to resurrect you.
Oh man.
Motivation.
Serious motivation.
Boy, you go feel it. That's this, yeah.
Oh no, he did go left. He's always throwing a car, he knows what he's doing. That's hard.
Hey!